Are you a beginner struggling to speak the language because you can't quite make your own sentences? What if you could go from struggling to put words together to speaking in flowing sentences in just 25 days? And in just 15 minutes a day. Well, that's exactly what you get with our new Quick Start Sentence Patterns 25-Day Guided Challenge, where you'll learn, practice, and master 25 top sentence patterns in 25 days. The best part? You'll have teacher guidance along the way, and all for $49. But there are only 100 spots open, and enrollment ends November 30th. So click the link in the description to learn more and enroll today. How does the 25-day guided challenge work? If you want to speak the language without stumbling over your own sentences, this challenge is designed to help you do just that in a focused 25-day sprint. Starting December 1st and until December 25th, you get one new lesson a day, where you listen to native speakers teaching you a new sentence pattern, you get tested on what you learned to boost retention, you get to practice using the patterns for total mastery, and you get a teacher who will keep you on track and guide you through the challenge, all in just 15 minutes a day. You also get lifetime access to the lessons if you want to go at your own pace. So if you're a beginner dreaming of speaking the language, then this challenge is for you. So join now before enrollment closes on November 30th or all spots are taken. Click the link in the description to learn more and enroll today.